product breakdown on this RENPHO foot massager, along with my input on what I do like and what I don't like about this product. A couple of things that I like about this product is the air intensity, which is right here. It has low, medium, and high. So it actually applies pressure to your feet, to your liking. The second thing I like too is the heat, which is an option. So you can turn it off if you don't want the heat. So it's very, very comforting. Another thing that I like about it is that it has zippable inserts for your feet. So you can take these little inserts out and wash them and put them back in. So they zip out and they zip back in. The part that I don't like is trying to zip it back in. It can be a little difficult trying to get the zipper to line up and then zipper around. So that's the only thing I don't like. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.